In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front parking light bulb on your 2003 to 2006 Infiniti G35. It's a very easy process. We don't need any tools and it only takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Now that's the parking light right there. I'm going to show you the process on the right side one, but it's the exact same process on the left side one as well. Now to make our job easier, we can turn the steering wheel all the way inwards. So that way we have some more space over there. Now, in order to access the bulb, first we need to pry that trim piece cover out. So you just use your house keys or any keys, just pry it out. Once you do that, peel it back a little bit more, just enough so you can get your hand in there. Once we do that, then we can actually get the bulb holder out of the light. So let's take a look at the bulb holder. It's that gray piece over there, right there. Just grab it and twist it left, like 1/8 of a turn. That's it. Once we do that, then we can get the bulb holder out of the light. It should come right out easily. That's the bulb holder right there with the bulb. In order to get the bulb out, just pull it out. If it doesn't come out right away, just wiggle it a little bit, but it will come right out. The bulb size is 168 or 194 or T10. It's all the same. Again, 168 or 194 or T10. I'm going to put a link to the cross-reference guide for bulb numbers in the description. And before we put it back in, it's a good idea to actually test out the bulb. So that works and that looks good. Let's put it back in. Now when you're putting it back in, it may take a few seconds because you're sort of trying to put it in by feel. You can't really see where the bulb holder should go in the light, right? So it takes a few seconds. Once it's in, it should be sitting flush like that. And then you can just twist it right, 1/8 of a turn, it's locked. Now we can push the trim piece back in, and that's pretty much it.